Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix TeamViewer connection blocked after timeout. So if you're facing this error, just follow the instruction. First of all, just right click on your taskbar, then you will get option of task manager. Open your task manager and here search for TeamViewer. So if you find it, then close it, because to run this process which I'm going to show you, TeamViewer should be completely closed in the background too. Right, once you have closed, click on your start, right click on it, you will get an option of run and search for temp, right, temp, click on OK, and here you will get all these files. So what you have to do, select everything, click on delete. So you have to delete each and everything, right? So here, for example, select everything right now and just delete it instantly. If it is not deleting something, you can always keep that stuff, right? And now you have to just go and search for TeamViewer and just reopen it again, right? And but before that, make sure you have connected to the internet properly and make sure that it is working. And after that, your TeamViewer will work perfectly fine. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.